Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. I'm teacher Jenny and today we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equations by factoring. So make sure you listen closely, take notes, and feel free to pause or rewind the video if you need more time. Okay, let's begin. So number 1, we have 3x squared plus 6x. So before we solve this, let's ask, can we factor something out from both terms? Okay, yes, both terms have something in common. So look at both terms. Both terms have a common factor of 3x. So yan. So sa coefficient po, we have the 3 and 6. So the common factor of 3 and 6 is 3. Okay? So the variables po, and variables of x squared and x, kunin lang natin yung mas mababa na power or degree. So we have the x. Because x squared and x, ang mas mababa dun ay yung x. Okay? Next, so 3x po yung ating common factor. So yan. Next, we have the open parenthesis and close parenthesis. So, divide po muna natin si 3x squared or the first term dito sa common factor which is 3x. So, 3x squared divided by 3x. So, cancel po yung 3 natin because 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. And then, x squared divided by x. So, x po yung answer natin dito. Because 2 minus 1 is equal to x raised to 1 or simply x. So, lagay po natin sa first term, x. So, next, the second term, which is 6x divided by 3x. So, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Okay? And then, x divided by x, cancel na po natin siya. So, the answer is 2. Okay? So, the operation po sa given ay plus. So, we simply copy it. And then next, so we have the 3x multiplied by x plus 2. So, syempre, wag natin kalimutan si is equal to 0. Okay, next, apply the zero product property or kailangan i-equal natin silang lahat sa 0. Okay, so we have the 3x is equal to 0 and then x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, si 3x po, dito po siya nanggaling. And then x plus 2 dito po siya galing. Okay, so apply the zero product property. So, kailangan i-equal natin siya sa 0. Okay, so 3x is equal to 0. So, divide lang po natin siya sa 3 para po matira si x. So, x is equal to, cancel na po natin si 3, and then 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. So, next we have the x plus 2. So, equal lang natin siya sa 0. So, ito po yung mangyayari. X is equal to negative 2. Tama? So, ito na po yung isang x natin. So, you can move negative 2 to the other side and change its signs. Or, you can move the positive 2 sa kabila or the other side and change its sign. So, it's become x equal to negative 2. Okay, so our x is equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 2. So, if you're not sure sa ifo-factor nyo po, always multiply your factors back to check your work. So, kapag minultiply nyo po siya dito sa pinactor nyo po, and then kung ang sagot po ay yung ating 3x squared plus 6x, you did it right. Okay? So, if it gives you the original expression, tama po yung ginagawa natin. Okay?